At least, at most, and inclusive are phrases frequently used to describe events. At least 2 cars means 2 cars or more. At most 4 cars means 4 or fewer cars. Between 2 and 4 inclusive means at least 2, but at most 4 cars. At least X means greater than or equal to X. At most X means less than or equal to X. Events that do not have any common outcomes are called mutually exclusive events. Events that intersect or share any common outcomes are called non-mutually exclusive events. At the bottom of the page, we have a few examples of mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive events. We need to decide if those events are mutually exclusive. For A, we need to decide if C and D are mutually exclusive. C, the selection is a heart. The event is a heart. 13 of them. And so the selection is a heart, and which means that they should happen, both of them should happen at the same time. The selection is a face card. Do they have anything in common? Yes. A jack, jack of heart, queen of heart, and king of heart. Therefore, they are not mutually exclusive. Remember that they share a jack of heart, a queen of heart, and a king of heart. For the next question, B, we have to decide if C and E are mutually exclusive. C, if the card selected is a heart, 13 of them, and E, if the card selected is an ace, 4 of them, 4 aces. And these two events share the ace of heart in common. Therefore, they are not mutually exclusive. They share ace of heart. For C, we have to decide if D and E are mutually exclusive. D is a face card and E is an ace. Yes, they are, because there's no overlap. For D, we have to decide if D, E, and F are mutually exclusive. D is a face card. We have 12 of them. E is an ace. We have 4 of them. If the card selected is an ace. And F, well, F, the card selected is an 8. How many 8s do we have? We have 4 of them. Let's circle the 8th. Here we go. Therefore, they are mutually exclusive. For E, we have D, E, F, and G. D, the event is a face card. E, the event is an ace. Let's circle the aces. F, the event is an 8. The selected card is an 8. And G, the selected card is a 10 or a jack. Now with the 10 or the jack, G is going to intersect with D, as in David, because a jack is a face card, and a jack will be the overlap of both. They are not mutually exclusive. They share together 4 jacks. 6 incomes are possible when we roll a die. Let's analyze the relationship between those events. A, we want to know if A and B are mutually exclusive. A is the die comes up even, 2, 4, 6, and B is the die come up 4 or more. So X is greater than or equal to 4. So it's going to be 4, 5, and 6. And they share together, they share 4 and 6. So A and B are not mutually exclusive. Now, what about events B and C? B, 4 or more, 4, 5, 6. And C, at most 2, which means 2 or fewer. So it's going to be 2 in 1. They do not have any common outcomes, therefore they are mutually exclusive. Yes. C, events A, C, and D. A, C, and D. Are they mutually exclusive? A is, we calculated it already, 2, 4, 6 even. C is at most 2, so it's 2 or fewer, 1 and 2. And D, well, D is just 3. The die comes up 3. Because A and C share 2 as a common outcome, they're not mutually exclusive. Let's look at D. Are there 3 mutually exclusive events among A, B, C, and D? 3 mutually exclusive events. Let's just write A, B, C, and D and compare them. A is 2, 4, 6. B is 4, 5, 6. C is 1 and 2. And D is just 3. Now, 3 mutually exclusive events will be B, C, and D. Among 4, they are not mutually exclusive because A, B, and C have common outcomes.